dear students. So let us proceed with the next method of group data. That is the case of continuous series. So we are having three methods in case of continuous series. That is actual mean method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Another name for continuous series is frequency distribution. So we proceed with the first method, that is the actual mean method. In actual mean method, we firstly calculate the actual mean and it is determined, and then the deviation of various mid values are taken from the mean value. That is, we calculate small x is equals to m minus mean, and deviations are squared, that is x square, and then multiplied it with the corresponding frequencies and to get it summation of fx square. And the formula for the same is summation of fx square upon n ka under root. How we write it? Small x, that is x minus mean ka whole square. Next we are having this illustration for the same. Given the following series, calculate the standard deviation by the actual mean method. We are having the class intervals, we are having the frequency. Firstly we calculate the mid value. Mid value hoti hai lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 2, that is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6, that is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 plus 8, that is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 8 plus 18, that is 8 plus 10, that is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 10 plus 12, that is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Then we calculate the fm. Multiply f with m. 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 3, that is 12. 6 into 5, that is 30. 7 into 4, that is 28. 9 into 2, that is 18. 6 into 11, that is 66. So after solving this, we are having the total or summation for the same, that is 156. And total of frequency, we are having 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2, 24. So firstly, in actual mean method, we calculate the mean. So the formula for mean is summation of fm upon summation of f. That is 156 upon 24. So we are having 6.5. The mean is 6.5. After that, we calculate small x. Small x is mid value minus mean. Mid value is 1, mean is 6.5. So 1 minus 6.5 is minus 5.5. 3 minus 6.5 is minus 3.5. 5 minus 6.5 is minus 1.5. 7 minus 6.5 is 0.5. 9 minus 6.5 is 2.5. 11 minus 6.5 is 4.5. Then we are having x square. Minus 5.5 का स्क्वायर है 30.25. माइनस 3.5 का स्क्वायर है 12.25. माइनस 1.5 का स्क्वायर है 2.25. 0.5 का स्क्वायर है 0.25. 2.5 का स्क्वायर है 6.25. 4.5 का स्क्वायर है 20.25. Multiply it with f. fx square. 2 multiply 30.25, that is 60.50. 12.25 multiply 4, we are having 49. 2.25 multiply 6, that is 13.50. 0.25 multiply 4 is 1. 6.25 multiply 2 is 12.50. 20.25 multiply 6 is 121.50. So we are having the total for the same 60.50 50 plus 49 plus 13.50 plus 1 plus 12.50 plus 121 plus 121.50. We are having the total 258. So the formula for actual mean method is summation of fx square upon n. Fx square means 258, n means 24. The frequency, the total of frequency. So after dividing 258 with 24, we are having 10.75. While solving the under root, we are having 3.28 as a standard deviation. So this is the actual mean method. Next, we proceed with the assumed mean average. In this method, deviations are taken from some assumed mean of the series. So the formula for the same is summation of f dx square upon n minus summation of f dx upon n ka whole square, and overall under root is there. So this is a continuous series. So firstly write the class intervals 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. Then write frequency 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 6. Write the mid value 0 plus 2, that is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 8 plus 10, that is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 10 plus 12, that is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So after this, calculate dx. Dx is basically m minus a, assumed average. Take any of the assumed value from the mid value. I'm taking 5 as assumed average. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. Calculate dx square. Minus 4 का square is 16. 2 का square is 4. 0 का square is 0. 2 का square is 4. 4 का square is 16. And 6 का square is 36. Then we calculate f dx. Multiply f with dx. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 6 into 0 is 6. 6 into 0 is 0. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 6 into 6 is 36. So we are having the total is 36. 16 में से 16 चले गए. We are having 36. Then we calculate f dx square. Multiply f with dx square. 2 into 16, 32. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 0, 0. 4 into 4, 16. 2 into 16 is 32. 6 into 36 is 216. And we are having the total 312. And the total of the frequency is 24. So the formula for standard deviation is summation of f dx square upon n minus summation of f dx upon n ka whole square, and overall under root is there. 312 upon 24 minus summation of f dx is 36, n is 24, the whole square. So after dividing, we are having 13, and after solving this, we are having 2.25. So 13 minus 2.25, we are having 10.75. Solving the under root of 10.75, we are having 3.28 as standard deviation. So this is the assumed mean method. Next, we are having step deviation method. It involves following steps. Take any value as assumed average. A ले लेनी आपने value, then calculate the mid value and calculate the deviations from mid value and express at dx. Then divide the deviations by their common factor, that is dx upon c. It is called to be expressed at dx dash. Multiply dx dash with the corresponding frequencies and find their sum total as summation of f dx dash. Take the square of dx dash, that is dx dash square, and multiply it with f. We are having summation of f dx dash square. The formula for the same is summation of f dx dash square upon n minus summation of f dx dash upon n ka whole square. Overall under root is there, multiply with c. So using the step deviation method, calculate the standard deviation of the following series. Just calculate, just write the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Write frequency, that is 5, 10, 20, 40, 30, 20, 10, 4. Write the mid value. 0 plus 10, that is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So there's a difference of basically 10. 10 is there. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35. Then is 45. Then is 55. Then is 65. Then is 75. Then calculate dx. dx होता है m minus assumed. Assumed average we I'm just taking 35. 5 minus 35, that is minus 30. 15 minus 35 minus 20. 25 minus 35 minus 10. 35 minus 35 0. 45 minus 35 10. 55 minus 35 20. 65 minus 35 is 30. 75 minus 35 is 40. Then calculate dx dash, that is dx divided by c. Here the c is 10, that is a common factor. Minus 30 divided by 10 is minus 3. Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. Then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then f dx dash. Multiply f with dx dash. 5 into minus 13, minus 3, that is minus 15. 10 into minus 2 is 20. 20 into minus 1 is minus 20. 40 into 0 is 40. 40 into 0 is 0. 30 into 1 is 30. 20 into 2 is 40. 10 into 3 is 30. 4 into 4 is 16. Then calculate f dx dash square. Multiply it with the dx dash. Multiply it with the f with dx dash square. This is a f dx dash square, not f. Okay, आपने f dx dash को dx dash से मल्टीप्लाई करना, तभी हमारे पास dx dash का होल स्क्वायर आएगा. So 15 into minus 3 into minus 15, that is 45. Minus 2 into minus 20 is 40. When you multiply any of the two minus signs, ना any of the digits with two minus signs, तो वो कट हो जाते हैं. Minus 1 into minus 20 is 20. 0 into 0 is 0. 30 into 1 is 30. Then is 40 into 2 is 80. 30 into 3 is 90. And 16 into 4 is 64. So we are having the total, that is 369. 45 plus 40 plus 20 plus 30 plus 80 plus 90 plus 64. And the total for the summation of f dx dash is 61. And we are having 139. So apply this, put these values in the given formula. Summation of f dx dash square upon n minus summation of f dx dash upon n का whole square into c, that is 369 upon 139 minus 61 upon 139 का whole square into 10. So after dividing 369 with 139, we are having 2.655. And 61 upon 139, after solving the squares, we are having 0.193. So we firstly subtract 2.655 minus 0.193, we are having 2.462. Solving the under root of 2.462, we are having 1.569 into 10. The value of standard deviation is 15.69. So this is the formula for step deviation method in case of continuous series. Summation of f dx dash square upon n minus summation of f dx dash upon n ka whole square. Overall under root is there, multiply with c.